If you want to do some overlock stitching, there is an entire menu on the Pfaff Creative 4.5 sewing machine that is dedicated for stitches that can overcast and seam at the same time. So we just did a video on how to overcast just a single edge, and we used stitch number 6. And we're going to actually use that same stitch because it also not only jumps over the edge, but it also puts a straight line to create the seam. Now, any of these stitches actually have that same concept where it jumps over the edge and has the line. You can take a look, you can try them out and see which one would be best for the fabric you're actually using. So let's go ahead, we'll try it with this. The foot it recommends is foot number 3. Foot number 3 does have a little marker that's adjustable, and you're going to want to set it so the little pin is even with the red marker. That's going to give us something to guide by. We also have the IDT engaged, just like it tells me on the screen. So this is actually a way to put ribbing on if you want to. That's what I'm going to show you. We're going to fold the ribbing in half. Put the raw edges of the ribbing even with the raw edge of the little cut edge of the neckline, and then just go ahead and stitch. Now if you ever get any skip stitches, you might want to make sure you're using like a stretch needle, especially if any of your fabric has any lycra in it. That will make a big difference. Now if you have a serger, this is going to go a whole lot faster on a serger. You can see that the stitch, even at full speed, technically doesn't go around this very fast. And where a serger, we'd already be done and on to the second one, or third one for that case. All right, so I'm just kind of keeping my edges kind of lined up with that little red marker. I'm pulling on the ribbing just a little bit as I go. But what I want to show you is that you end up with kind of that 2-for-1, where we have the overlocked edge, but we also have the seam and the stretch, all with one pass of the overlock stitch.